This is Windows 11 official running on an 8-year-old PC. Hey guys, my name is KS Kiral. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on any PC or laptop. Now, this guide is going to be a step-by-step Windows 11 installation. It doesn't matter if your system support Windows 11 requirements, this guide will work on any PC or laptop. Now, using this method, you can install Windows 11 on both supported and unsupported hardware. Make sure to watch this video until to an end and learn how to install Windows 11 properly. Now, for demonstration purposes, I will be installing Windows 11 on a brand new SSD. Anyway, the requirements for this video: you need a PC running a Windows 10, a 64 GB of free space is needed for Windows 11 installation, 1 GHz 64-bit processor with 2 or more cores, 4 GB or higher RAM, and lastly, you need an 8 GB or higher pen drive. Alright, as you can see, this is the 8-year-old PC that I'm going to install Windows 11 in a moment. The health app says my PC is lacking TPM support and is not compatible to run Windows 11. Now, if in case your system supports all Windows 11 requirements like TPM 2.0, Secure Boot, you may see a message saying this PC is compatible with Windows 11. Now anyway, let us start installing Windows 11. Now open your browser, then the first link will take you to this page. Now there you can download the official Windows 11 from Microsoft. Now scroll to the third option and download Windows 11 ISO. Next up, head over to Rufus website and download the latest version of Rufus. Once it's done downloading both files, place them somewhere inside your computer. Now go ahead, connect your USB drive to the computer, then open Rufus with admin rights. Now inside here, under the device, choose your drive. Make sure if any important data present inside your pen drive, please back up. This is going to wipe everything inside this drive. Next, under the boot selection, import the downloaded Windows 11 ISO. Now under the image section, you can stick to the standard Windows 11 option selected if in case your PC supports TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot. To check whether your system supports TPM, open Run and type CMD. Now inside command prompt, type TPM. Now this will show the TPM status. Right now my PC is lacking TPM 2.0 and shows this message. So I'm going to select the extended Windows 11 option that is going to bypass TPM and Secure Boot and help installing Windows 11 on any unsupported PC. Now the third option you see here is for those who want to make Windows 11 portable. Now under the partition scheme, it's selected as GPT with UEFI mode since my system is running in UEFI mode, and that's why the recommended partition scheme is GPT. To check your system boot status, type this command. Now this shows the boot mode of your PC. Right now my PC is running in UEFI mode, so I would stick to GPT. Now if it says legacy, it's recommended to choose the MBR partition scheme. Next, I'm going to name the volume label and leave all the options as default and click on Start to create a Windows 11 bootable USB. Now once it's done, go ahead and restart the PC. When it's restarting, I'm going to go ahead quickly hop into a BIOS and disable the secure boot. Now once it's done, I'm going to save the changes and restart the computer. Now head over to the boot menu by pressing F2, Escape, F10 or F12 on your keyboard. Here select your USB drive. Right now mine is showing as a SanDisk. I'm going to select this USB drive to boot into Windows 11. Now inside the Windows 11 setup, choose the language, country and keyboard layout. Then click on Next and choose to install Windows 11. Now here choose the flavor of Windows 11. So in this case I would pick Windows 11 Pro and click on Next. Now accept the license, terms and conditions, then click on Next and choose the custom option. Now under the partition setup, you can see the list of drives connected to the PC. The drive 1 is where I decided to install Windows 11. Now as you can see, if I click on this drive, which is actually not allowing me to install Windows 11. Now this is because the drive is not properly formatted to install Windows 11. Now to fix this issue, on your keyboard, hold Shift plus F10 to open the command prompt. Then inside command prompt, type disk part. Then type list disk to see all of the connected drives. Now here I'm going to select a disk 1. To do so, type select disk 1. Now once it's selected, type clean to format the drive. Now once it's done, type convert GPT to use a GPT partition layout on the brand new SSD. Now if your system boot mode is legacy, you can use the MBR partition scheme. And for now, my system boot mode is UEFI and it's recommended to use the drive with a GPT partition scheme. Once it's done, now exit from the command prompt. Now back to the partition screen. Here I click on the refresh button to see the changes. Now you can see the drive 1 is showing as unallocated free space. Now select this drive and click on new. Now this will create a 2 or 3 partitions. Now choose the main primary partition and click on next to start installing Windows 11. And that's it. Now sit back and relax. The installation will take some time depending on the writing speeds of your drives. Now once it's done, your computer should restart to Windows 11. You can go ahead, eject the pen drive. Now as you can see, it shows both Windows 11 and Windows 10. Now I'm going to pick Windows 11 and the computer should reboot a couple of times. Now for some time, you can see the welcome screen of Windows 11. Now go ahead, disable the internet on your computer by removing the Ethernet cable. Now this way we can bypass the welcome screen fastly. Now follow the on-screen instructions and set up the new Windows 11. And that's pretty much it. This is how you install Windows 11 on any PC or laptop from scratch. Now if in case you're having any issues, comment below and I will try my best to help you. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see a versatile tech videos. Thanks for watching this video. This has been KS Kiral. I will see you in my next one.